can't even send peace, 'cause all of these niggas be on you. I'm just saying for me, yeah. I'll let you call, let you talk to, girl. I'll share my words.
What's up, YouTube, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Keandraahzhane, and in today's video I'm coming to y'all with my very first quick weave with the We Queen hair. This video is not sponsored. I did collaborate with them over on my TikTok, so go head over there if you're interested in this hair, which you will be, because this is some of the most bomb affordable bundles that I've ever put in. But when I say quality, the quality is there. We're definitely going to be testing the hair out a little bit longer to see how it holds up, but so far so good. I have their 24-inch body wave and two 26-inch body wave bundles, along with their 18-inch body wave closure, which I did not do anything to. The knots were super small, so all I did, girl, was put the makeup on there and call it one. And if you're watching from my TikTok channel, hey girl, hey, leave a little comment down below. Don't be shy. I feel like it's been such a minute since I posted a hair video, let alone just a video in general. I want to start getting more active on here. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, short form content did it. But anyways, I'm going in with this weave Wonder Wrap to make sure I protect my natural hair, and I'm putting this all over my braids. I'm making sure everything is dry with my blow dryer, and please oil your scalp before you do this, because I'm learning the hard way. But now I'm going ahead with my cap, and I'm going to cut the ear tabs out to prepare to install the hair. I've seen quick weaves done with all types of different color caps, but I went with the HD so that I can see what I'm doing. Now I'm going to be taking my 2x6 closure, and I'm going to go ahead and use this lace tint that I got. And I'm just going to spray the lace. Like I said, I didn't go ahead and do any like bleaching or anything. I didn't even pluck this, y'all, if I'm being honest. Like, I just sprayed it and put it on because I knew that I was going to wear it in a bust down middle part, and it wasn't going to be any like baby hairs or anything like that. So I'm just sewing the closure down. This was trial and error for me because, mind you, this is my first quick weave. I ain't never did a sew-in on myself or anything like that. But your girl figured it out. I had to take it off and like do it again. One thing I will say is I wish I would have brought it down just a little bit more. But now I'm going with the Wonder Weave wrap stuff again. And there's two different brands. There's also Morning Glory, which is really good as well. But I'm just going in with another layer of this on top of my cap just to really make sure my hair is protected. We're also going to be going on top of this with Gossipy Glue. So when I say oil that scalp, please oil that scalp. Now it is time to start laying these tracks. So I'm going in with the longest bundle, which is 26, and I'm going to be measuring, cutting, and gluing. And I'm just going to continue that process until I get through my whole head. I did want my hair to be really full. These bundles are definitely full. So I did manage to fit just about all of the hair in my head with just a little piece left. But I watched a lot of tutorials prior to this to do my own, because like I said, this is my first time doing it. And I just wanted to make sure I was doing everything right. How you lay the tracks matters. So I think just watching this will be better than me trying to explain. This was just how it looked after one. And as you can see, I started bringing them ear to ear, probably after the like third or fourth track. And this is the second 20-inch bundle. I'm just going to be doing the same thing, measuring, cutting the track, laying the glue, and placing it. I did have the mirror behind me to kind of help me. But yeah, I'm basically putting the bundles quite close together until I get to the top of my head. You want to make sure, if you're going for that full look, you definitely want to make sure you're kind of stacking them right on top of each other. And now I'm really starting to curve the tracks because I want the hair to fall in my face a little bit. So as you can see, I'm on the last bundle, and I'm just going to keep going in like a curve U-part type of style until I get to the top to close it up.
When we hooked up, we sat down, made an agreement, we vowed that we'd always be together, do whatever. We said that no one would ever get between us, us love would never leave us. That was a while ago. But now lately, it feels like, I like goes to spite every single night. Each time can't get it right. I just wanna go back, take way back, all the way back. Can we start again? Do it over.
Now that all the hair is in, I'm gonna take this braid out that I put inside of the closure, and then I'm gonna cut the rest of my cap off, and I'm just going all around and cutting the excess off. I've seen some people do this actually earlier in the process, and they kind of like put the glue on the perimeter, but you can also do it this way. And now I'm just brushing gently through the hair after everything has dried. Y'all kind of saw me go in and out with my blow dryer. I don't think you have to blow dry each and every track because it's gonna dry regardless, but yeah. Now I'm going in with my Care wax stick, and I'm gonna start on this 2x6 closure, which the parting space on this was bomb. Like I said, I do wish I brought it down a little bit because it was giving a lot of forehead, but that's okay. It is like right below where my real hairline is, and so I'm just doing everything with the closure as I would like a, you know, closure wig or anything else. I'm putting some glue on it so that it could be secure, and I'm gonna go in with my Ruby Kisses makeup in a second as well. And y'all saw me press it out with the hot comb, of course, just to make sure everything is laying really nice and flat at the top. But I do like how low maintenance this 2x6 is, because you're literally getting 2 inches by 6 inches of space to work with, so it's not much to lay down, and it's not much that you really have to do. It's perfect in my opinion for a middle part. And so now I'm going in and adding some layers with the hair. I find that using a razor comb is best for this, especially if you're not too experienced with like layering and cutting hair like me. And so you can just kind of see that I'm holding it at a diagonal. And I also recommend that you either blow out the hair or straighten the hair if you want to do this as well, so you can kind of get a better idea and like really see what you're cutting, if that makes sense. But now I'm going in with the hot tools. I did have this new one from TikTok shop that I end up trying out later on my TikTok, so go ahead and check that out. But for now, I'm just going to be going in and adding some curls, and I did put some BioSilk all over the hair. I like the other tool way better for actually pressing the hair out first and then putting the curls in, so you get like more of a sleeker look. But girl, I was ready to be done with this hair, so I just went in with my wand curler, and I think this is the bedhead one. I might have it in my Amazon storefront. Definitely check out my Amazon storefront for all of the hair stuff that I use throughout this video. If it's available, it will be linked there, and I'll put the link in my bio for y'all. But as you can see, I'm just going through and I'm adding curls all throughout the hair.
I don't wanna go. I don't wanna be alone. I don't wanna be. I don't wanna live. I don't wanna go. I don't wanna
And after I'm done with all the curls, I'm going to go in with this Sebastian Shaper Plus hairspray. You can use any type of hairspray, and I was just showing you the before and after. If I'm not mistaken, I think I definitely curled away from my face and towards my face. I don't know. I think I switched it up. And then you saw me add some more layers just so I can get that, you know, volume. And of course, I'm just going to continue adding curls to the other side and doing the same process until I'm finished and I'm at the bang. I think curling my bang and just doing the bang is one of my favorite parts to the entire curling process. But this is the hair all done. I went ahead and gave the other side a spray, and I'm just playing with it and maneuvering it. I'm still trying to master these curls, girl, but for the most part, this is the finished look. I love how it came out. The hair was so pretty, so full and long. It was bouncy. It's so soft. And for these to be some affordable bundles, I'm telling y'all, these are some of the best quality affordable bundles that I've ever put in. I think it's way better quality, of course, than some like hair store hair. So make sure y'all definitely check out We Queen Hair. Again, this isn't sponsored, but I do thank them for sending me over the hair to try out. It was super viral over on TikTok, and I will have the direct links in my description box as to where you can shop the hair. And yeah, I thank y'all so much for watching this video. I'm just happy that I had inches in. Like, the slow-mo does it for me every time, and I'm just loving how it came out. See y'all in the next one. Bye.